it's me, Riley.
And Paula.
Today we're gonna teach you guys.
Wait, guys.
Yep. But anyways, today we're gonna teach you guys how to make slime. Very simple, very easy. So we're gonna wait until Paula comes. There she goes. So you need, wait. So you need some glue, some cups, some borax with water. I put it inside of this baby oil.
Yes.
So let's get started. So I'm gonna be pouring the glue. So you like pour the glue. That's your very first
And
step.
we have this.
Yeah, but you can use clear glue, but we're using white glue, right?
Yes.
Don't use white. So we're gonna pour some.
How about this?
I'll pour, okay? Oh,
Oh my.
that's why it does not come out because of that. I knew it was open. Okay. Do it. Don't use your mouth. It's okay. That's good that you didn't get poisoned. Oops. More. Adding more.
We're gonna all of this, so
No. Not all. Not the whole bottle.
we have one only.
Oh, okay, that's okay, but we're just gonna close that. So don't mix it, because if you mix that, no. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
Because we're still saving the glue. So next step is putting your borax with water. Don't mix your glue without pouring anything, because it will be hard easily, right?
Yes.
So put drop by drop if you're doing a small slime. Drop. Okay, I did 2 drops. Now you go and mix, stir and stir until it's forming. So this is how does it looks like.
Yes.
So if you touch it, it's like not sticking to your hands. That's the time you're supposed to knead it. Go. So yeah, I'm going to slime mine. Okay, my turn. So pour it in.
Literally.
Still have more. Boop, boop. Oh, it's forming! Oh my gosh! Guys! We're making slime! I can't believe it! So,
It's
wow.
just like Jello.
You can also use detergent. But the best working for ours is borax with water. So if you're guessing this is baby oil, no, it's not baby oil, it's borax with water.
So guys,
No!
it's forming.
Ow! I just fell down.
But it's forming.
Yeah, it's forming.
You can hold, please.
Okay, I'm gonna hold the camera.
Look, it's just forming.
Pour 1, 2, 3. Can I mix?
No.
Please?
No, I said.
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna.
So she's gonna pour 1 drop. One only. So we're putting 1 drop at a time. Put 2 drops right now. Oops. 1 and the 2 drop. 2. Whoa! Look at that! Ew!
I think this. We need.
No! Don't put glue! Okay. No, I think you have to put glue. Put glue, we're making a lot. Because we're gonna put it in our slime collection. We only have 1. Because the other ones are in the other containers. Stop it! Please!
But we have more.
Just don't worry! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna
I put this. So you put. It's like.
put a map. I'm putting a lot so that it will be like much more. Yes, mix. It's already 5 minutes.
So it's forming, guys.
I squeeze it like squeeze. Oh,
That's
still sticking. So we got the 2 drops.
you have 3 drops.
It's okay. It's okay. Wow!
It's
Oh, it's so
Forming.
sticky. Okay. Forming to slime. I'm so excited. How does it look like? Oh my gosh. Whoa. I also made another slime. But now we made a lot of slimes, guys. We made a lot of slimes. We made 1 and 2 and 2. Not yet. When tomorrow comes,
I'll be on my own, feeling frightened nose.
it's time to knead.
Tomorrow comes. Tomorrow comes.
I think we put in too much borax.
Wait.
We put in too much borax.
What did
That's okay. Ow! That hurts. I'll be on my own. Sun alone. We're halving it. Look, it's like, oh my gosh. I think we need. Oh, it's some glue are sticking to my hands.
we need more borax solution?
Borax.
One.
Me too. Me too. Here.
Okay.
There we go.
But I think this is
and it's starting to poke. So you have to knead it until it becomes slime.
yes.
So since our camera doesn't have a pause, or should I just say our phone doesn't have a pause, we're just gonna let you guys.
But we're gonna make.
It's already 7 minutes. Oh my gosh. Our videos have been 7 minutes long.
But we made more. Yes.
yeah. So,
5 minutes.
whoops. Sorry about that. The camera is always falling down. So it's starting to clean my hands.
It's not.
So if it's very sticky, even though your hands is already clean, you have to add 1 more drop of borax. But if it's still sticky, put more drops. But only a drop, not a spoon, not a spoon of it, because that will be horrible.
Not like this.
Just like me and Didi's.
And not like this.
That's alright. That's nice. Okay, there's more glue, or should I say slime? I'm gonna get my slime and clean. Whoa, I just did much.
So we're gonna put there because it's not sticking, not here.
Okay. So that's it.
No, that's it. We need more.
So guys, that's it for us. No, don't put it. Okay. So I'm gonna mix it. So that's it for our slime video. Have to like and subscribe, and we also have.
No, we need more.
So that's it for our slime video. I hope you how to make slime video. I hope you like and subscribe, and it have loud poking sounds too. So you gotta make sure that you make this slime. And that's it for our slime video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Slime.